If you're responsible for overseeing forklift use on your site, Mentor's Managing Forklift Operations course has been designed with you in mind. It outlines your legal responsibilities for safety as a manager or supervisor, provides vital knowledge so that you can recognize key hazards and risks, and gives you the confidence to stop bad practice before it creates costly damage or leads to a serious accident. The course is divided into manageable modules with summaries and quizzes to confirm your understanding at the end of each stage, and an average completion time of just 3 hours. Using engaging content,
the forklift's reversed over my leg.
Hard-hitting
I
video,
can't imagine any employer who would employ me.
and shocking statistics. You'll gain the skills to keep your business safe and profitable for the long term.